And welcome everybody to one episode of Dude on Two Wheels. My name is Marcelo Barbosa. Today we have the camera and the helmet, guys, because we're in Dublin and we're going right now to pick the ferry to go to England back, man. Today we're getting back to England. We need to ride into London, or pretty close to London. We're gonna be staying there more 2 days by a friend's house, and it will be good if we at least enjoy a little bit with the friend, né? So let's see how it's gonna be. We have now 44 minutes to get to the ferry. We're gonna arrive there like something like 8:30, or maybe a little bit later, or maybe before, I don't know. After that, 3.5 hours going, no, 3.5 hours with the ferry, and then something between 5.5 to 6 hours, man, to get there to London. That I only can say in the moment that we arrive in England, and I will try to make that my internet will work there in England, because I have a problem. But anyway, let's go. I will leave a little bit here on the quickly with the 360, because yeah, guys, the day is just started. Yeah, guys, we're already here by the check-in. I hope everything's gonna be fine. So let's make the check-in, and then we're gonna get inside of the ferry, my friends. Yeah, guys, check-in done. We're gonna keep here on the lane 1. That means we can get some coffee here. That's good. And if it's rainy, I can still like hide myself. So good too. So let's put the motorcycle here. I hope she's gonna stay good. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. And oh my god, turn off here, close here. CBF's doing a great job. She started again really quickly today. I hope she'll keep going like that. And yeah, guys, yeah, my friends. Oh, please don't do that we need to wait here in the going up, because that's gonna be like horrible. Oh, it's windy, guys. But look here, the cargo boats, man, the ships, like we say now in German, cargo ships. Ah, here's the city, like Birmingham. Oh, now I think I said right. Birmingham. Let's see how they want it. Hello, mate. So it's in gear. It's fine. I like that here.
One eternity later.
So guys, we arrived in Holyhead. Now we need to wait to get out, because I'm sure we're gonna be the last ones now, and that's gonna be like so good, but doesn't matter. The important that we arrived. It's already like, I don't know, really late. Like really late. It's not late. It's like 14 o'clock or something like that. I can check it right quickly here. I'm gonna check my mobile. Maybe it's easier. Yeah, 14 o'clock. So The map is already here. I need just to turn on. We're gonna take like the way to the Wales. It was the way I wanted to do. It's like when we have been coming to Holyhead. So we're gonna do that today coming back. It will be like half hour more, but I think that's gonna be fine, you know. There's not gonna be like a big problem. I hope so, no? Let's see how it's gonna be the immigration. I never passed here. Nobody knows. I just know like after everything works and I'm inside, and then it's gonna just miss to get in France, but in France it's gonna be fine. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Choose my danke. Talking German again. Back in Ireland I was talking all the time in German with my friends, I don't know why. So I just hope my gloves they will get dry. That's gonna be important. But if it's raining they're gonna get wet again, so yeah guys, it's gonna be like 5.5 hours plus how to get out here. I don't know how long we will take to get out here. I'm not sure. Just wanna know how it's gonna be the immigration, guys, because I need to pass the immigration, I know that. Or they don't have any more immigration here. It's kind of weird then, because in Ireland they had, and I didn't have to do anything there, or I had to pass there, to say the truth. Like everybody's passing, like I don't see any control, I don't see nobody waiting, so, but I don't remember that we have been passing here. The red light show wait here. I really don't remember have been passing here, guys. It seems that we don't need to pass anymore. That's awesome. I put my gloves and thought that maybe we need to pass some more, but till now it's fine, so that's great, guys. 20 miles, now it's miles, not more kilometers here. Need to remember that as well. It can't be that we're not gonna be passed, man, from immigration. Like, doesn't make any sense. That's what I thought. Here's the immigration, guys. I don't think so that we need to pass somewhere. Border force. That's weird, guys. Imagine. Yeah, now we're already out. But I haven't seen any border control. Yeah, man. Welcome to England. Or welcome back. Nice. That was really funny. Like, I really thought myself that I had to show my passport or something here, because yeah, there in Dublin I had to show. I'm gonna try to put a piece here from the video that you guys can see it, because I had to show there. I had to show my passport. I had to tell what I want to do, where I want to go, and yeah, so weird. And I prepared everything, left everything already done here, man. Oh, so welcome welcome back to England. Welcome back to Holyhead. I put already the right map. I hope that's gonna work. That's closed. Then let's do it now, guys. Yeah, guys, we are not lucky. We need to stop to put the rain cover, take the camera out, and leave just a 360 again, guys. Yeah, that's not good, guys. That's not good, seriously. And we need to do that because there in front is looking like it's raining much more. So on a half mile, it's a place to stop. I'm gonna stop there, put the rain closes, take the camera out. Then I'm gonna put the stick because it's a little bit better than with the stick. And that's it, guys. Because look how it's looking there in the back, like it's raining a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna pass on this road I wanna pass. Doesn't want to be like the best road for that, but yeah, what I should say. Yeah guys, I hope it isn't gonna be rainy anymore, because seriously, it's difficult to make videos. The one holder just broke. The one holder for the camera. Lucky me that I had a second one. But yeah, not good, you know, not good guys. Maybe I need to try to order a new one. I need to see if I can do that. But yeah, not good guys. Yeah man, it's a beautiful place that's here guys, seriously. I think you guys saw already some scenes now for the 360. Guys, like I have been like always looking to the weather in front of me to see if I could put the camera or not, no? It's filming, yeah. And yeah, you guys saw them. A lot of traffic, a lot of rain. At some points I could already put the camera, but I was looking in front of me like I wasn't so sure, you know. And we have a time guys, like now it's missing like 170 miles, 3.5 hours. We are already almost like with a half tank. We need to already stop somewhere to put some petrol. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here guys. But the road, it's like amazing, huh? Couldn't be better, no? They have a lot of like small towns like that here we're passing right now. You guys saw already some towns. I have been trying to film the best what I could now. And maybe I will have a look if they have the petrol that I needed here, but I don't think so. Nah, they don't have, man. I need to find a place where they have that, but they still have like more petrol for 200 kilometers. like, let's say 150, fine. My helmet's starting to make a problem, but I don't know from where it is, man. It's my mobile. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, guys, I think we need to stop a little bit. Or the thing here died. Can be as well. Uh-oh. That's not good, guys. So, to come back. I think my mobile died, man. No, it's back. Woo! Good. Woo! Because I knew like some miles we need to move, like turn or whatever. Go straight. Because we're gonna take the motorway, my friends. And then there's not gonna be any more like beautiful roads like that. It's gonna be crazy motorway. And that's it. Yeah, my friend. The autobahn's not coming. I thought myself I put the wrong map here or something like that. But no, it's everything fine. The autobahn should come, I don't know when. It's missing like 149 miles. If I'm not wrong, that's like 250 kilometers. And we need to put petrol. We have a half tank. I can't do it that amount of kilometers with a half tank. That's not gonna work. So I need to find a petrol station. And yeah, full tank. And let's go. Then we're gonna arrive with the full tank, I would say. No, the full tank not, but a half tank. I think the guy with the Audi wanna make a race, man. Nah, he's 70, man. He's 130 now, guys. So we need to find a petrol station. Really important. So that we put the petrol and I want to take this rain jacket out here, guys. I don't want to ride with this rain jacket. And after that, we gonna keep going. Oh man, here's the petrol station. I'm gonna try to put petrol here then. Beautiful, man. Don't put it petrol here. And we continue, guys. And guys, they have what we're looking for. So beautiful, my friends. Let's full tank. And now my wish was to take everything out what's inside of the tank to put a new one. But let's do like that. Let's full tank and continue, keep going. See you soon, my friends. Yeah, my friends, let's do it. We have, like I said, 148 miles. I think that's gonna be like something 230 kilometers. 2.5 hours, no, 2 hours and 54 minutes. So let's try to keep going now, because guys, my god, what a day. Seriously, exactly the place where I want to film for you guys, I couldn't do it because, like, guys, was raining a lot. Like I have done with a 360, so I hope you guys gonna like that. And yeah, so let's keep going. Like I said, we still have like a lot of, like 3 hours. My god, that's a lot. But now I will try to do this last 3 hours without stop. Yeah, my friends, just fill up. I have again a problem with my tank. Is the water not getting out? That's really bad. So we're gonna continue here on the A5. So if you're gonna continue straight, we need to stay on the left. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not easy, no? It's already like 5 o'clock. Exactly 5 o'clock right now in the afternoon. 5 p.m. So let's see if we at least can get it on the autobahn, the motorway. My god. And yeah, so let's see what's gonna happen, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. And like always, I found a motorcyclist and I'm trying to follow him. Ah, CBF. Seriously. Look how we are. In England, we're 160, my friend. If that's a speed camera, I'm sure I got a ticket. Not today, but some days ago. I will leave the 360 a little bit, and then let's see how we're gonna do this. Missing 2 hours now, like was already before less. You know, we just got it here, and now it's missing 2 hours, so... It's missing 35 miles, my friends. 43 minutes. And we're gonna be arriving there something like 7:30. Yeah, I have been going fast. Sorry. Sorry, England. But... and that was just me, it was a lot of people, so I was just following them. Like, we'll be in Germany. It's missing 26 miles to get out here. 26 miles, if I'm not wrong, will be like 50 kilometers to get out of this motorway. 30 miles, then it's like 60, 70. But there, the rainbow is going on. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna use this time with this beautiful rainbow to thanks everybody to be watching, have been watching me too now. I hope you guys like this video, and I'm sorry about the rain. I can't change it, my friends. It's like that, you know, like wow, the camera is expensive. I don't want to like lose the camera, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a like on this video and the other videos. Leave a comment as well, guys, because it's always good to know what you guys thinking about the video, or if you guys like it or not. And as well, don't forget to activate the notification, because like that, every time a new video from Dublin is gonna come out, you guys gonna be notified straight away. So guys, see you next time. Bye bye. Woohoo! Dublin back to England.